to my YouTube channel. What's up, y'all? It's Raider. Today I'll be doing me a traditional sew-in. And I did do my braid pattern. I braided that myself and did everything myself. And as you see right here, I'm going under with the needle. I like to do the under method and then wrap it around and then keep going, just to give it a nice flat foundation. And then as you see, as I'm bringing the track closer towards the front of the port closure, yeah, those are laying flat and those all come forward towards the bangs. Just trust the process, y'all. I know it's not looking too good, but I promise you, I do this all the time. Those of you that's not familiar here, go ahead and make sure y'all like, follow, and share, and comment. I will be bringing a lot more of these videos. I am a do-it-yourself hairstylist. If I can do it myself, I'm gonna do it myself. But if I can get it done or need to get it done, I'm gonna go get it done. Believe it. So after I had put the foam on my, what is it called? The foam, the mousse. After I put the mousse on my hair, I just went on and straightened it really good, and it blended really well. And right here is giving really natural because I haven't put any